So are you still looking for Mother's Day cards idea and you haven't got any? Why to worry when I am here? I'm having an amazing idea. So you want to learn a beautiful Mother's Day card? But you have to be with me till the end of the video. So welcome to FunKnowlogy, learning with fun. So friends, the material we need to make this beautiful Mother's Day card are A4 size sheets, origami paper, some colored sheets, colored paper, 2 heart-shaped cutouts, one bigger and one bit smaller, glue stick, pencil, scissors, and that's all. So the step 1 is, first we'll take this A4 size sheet and from both ends we will fold it from the both sides and we'll touch the end in the center like this. See, I've already done one and pasted the origami sheet inside with Happy Mother's Day message. The next step, we need these heart-shaped cutouts. Now the time to use the glue. Putting some glue over here on the smaller one and see, now it's looking beautiful and attractive. Again we'll put some glue and we'll paste this heart in the center of the card. You can write a message for your mom inside. See? It's very easy. Now we need the color papers. We have to take the print of our hand and arm. We'll keep it like this and we'll take the print. Now we need the pencil. So our mamas are going to be very happy when you'll do. We'll give this card to your mama. Like this we are going to trace our hand and arm. Then we'll use the scissors and the cutting of this and you get cutouts like this. We need 2 hands cutouts. Okay, now what we will do, we put some glue here paste it from the back side of the card like this. And other hand on the other side. So what, it's a lockdown period. Still we can make the card on our own for our mamas. So don't worry. See, a big hug to our mommy. We can close it like this and our card is ready. I hope you like it and it's very easy to make and it looks beautiful like this. Mama, big hug. I have made another card like this. See, Mama, a big hug for you. This much big. And there's a surprise inside. A big hug, Mom. Happy Mother's Day. I hope you like making this beautiful card, and it's very easy to make. And your mama is going to love it. So, what are you waiting for? Like my video, subscribe and share. So, until the next time, the next video, ta-da!